Life is gonna be great. Can't you see I just radiate? Now I'm dusting off my wings. I'll go hovering high up there. Have a nice day.
Bye.
좋은데요.
저 있어서 저 부분 혹시 어떻게 표현이
Lead berdinya. Oh, what you doing? Ya. Tuh. It's daylight.
If you go slow, cause there's some things I've never told you. Why, I don't know. I guess I've never been as bold as you. You put a little beat in my heart and a little light in my dark. And now it's my turn, but where do I start? You got me hooked in like an upbeat chorus. Got me on my knees begging for it. You got my whole heart screaming it. And you got the whole dance floor feeling it. You caught me off guard with your rhythm so smooth. Gotta take it all in, I'm in awe of you. Girl, I can't stop listening. No, I'll never get enough, won't you play it again? Well, maybe it don't show, but I'm on pins and needles for you. And girl, you ought to know, no one makes my jaw hit the floor like you do. You put a little beat in my heart and a little light in my dark. And now it's my turn. was supposed to keep you guessing. I should have swallowed my pride, cause that's what you left with. Cause now I'm on my knees and I'm begging for you. You got me hooked in like an upbeat chorus, got me on my knees begging for it. You got my whole heart screaming it, and you got the whole dance floor feeling it. You caught me off guard with your rhythm so smooth, gotta take it all in, I'm in awe of you. Girl, I can't stop listening, no, I'll never get enough of you play it again. Oh, play it again.
Alcohol sí, alcohol no.
¡Dilo!
Sí, al cole no, la semana que viene, porque me
¡Ahí! ¿Ahí? ¿Qué brazos tienes? Dios mío, mi vida. ¿Qué brazos tienes? He visto la piel. Pero es que ha venido y de plan no me encanta y el modelo de la semana pasada.
Puede que se pueda usar la misma tarjeta en todo Corea, es un avance.
Sí.
Ahora cuando no funciona.
What are the 4 lines?
Guapísimo. Uy, que soy tonta. Guapísimo.
Guapísimo. And I agree.
No in Spanish, like not just Korean. Yeah.
So it was
Había más trenes ahora. Pero vaya que si se ha ido mañana vuelve seguro. No.
Deep breath.
A ver, Alba, ¿cómo te lo comes? Hostia.
enganchado. Así.
Toma. No te ves como el plátano.
No, me había comido la mitad, pero...
Ah.
¿Dónde estamos?
No sé.
Cinta de carrocera, efectivamente.
Yo he visto la gente que hace algo. Les digo que no. Yes, I can do it.
¿Qué?
That's the water.
Qué bonito es.
porque me pegué.
Our bodies are our español. Español.
No necesitaba ir al baño.
Pero la canción es la misma, ¿no? Sí, pero la letra es la misma.
En San Juan, tal, ¿no?
Estaban lejos. Mi padre a la foto de los gusanos que... ¿Tu pepino?
Irene. Está grabado esa.
Piękna mi zwrotkę.
Hacer una foto.
¿Te pongo la pajita o no?
Ole, ole.
Qué mal. Chúpalo de arriba primero un poco, que está buenísimo. ¿Qué haces? ¿Cómo has soltado?
No puedo.
¿Cómo que no puedes?
En plan, puedo absorberlo.
Esto, esta capita.
Ah, vale, está fatal. Sí, sí.
Cómo rompe las ilusiones de la gente. Ella lo suponía.
Cacharrua.
Cacharrua. Y esto. No lo sé, espérate, voy a probar primero.
Pon la pochita. ¿Qué quieres? Parece top. That's blue? Ahora me cambias.
Me voy a quitar la gafa que es algo más favorito. Chicos, síganos en nuestro futuro podcast. Todavía no sé cómo se va a llamar. Ya lo diré. Bueno, no, porque cuando lo tenga no vamos a juntos.
Guillermo, eres una persona malvadísima.
No, but I'm saying that. Unhear you. Fuck you.
I'm sorry.
Let's go to the water.
To the water.
Malagueta, tía.
¿Está muy fría?
¡Ay, qué fría!
Vale, vale. Ahora entiendo. Y yo a ti.
Que te quiero mucho.
¡Vale!
Se me caerá. ¿Así? Yeah, that's it.
Too much for me.
clown de photocards. Las que es. Voy a sacar fotos para enseñárselo a mi madre. Con la yema. Exposición.
Cuando lo van mezclando ya... Pero mira, ya lo
Ay, no. We're here. Nice.
Guillo aquí.
Es que no se puede hacer un vídeo.
So much.
You can walk here, upstairs.
Venga, fotos allá.
Ah, no, no.
No, dedicamos el curso que viene a hacer tu viejo.
Sí. Sí. Va a cantar y lo otro sigue.
Popi, popi. Así va a lo progreso, lo demás sigue. Entonces siempre... ¿Cuál?
Un poquito más para
La rosita.
Es más de la cara.
Que esté tan lejos,
No, es que
puede probar.
the movement is limited.
There.
¿Le doy?
Sí, dale. Venga, venga, venga. Sí, 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 sí. ¡Ah!
I don't know. Which one?
I mean, we almost had this one.
This?
Dale, dale, dale. Está cerquita. Dale. Sí. Yes. Sí.
Oh, hey. Foto. Okay.
En verdad luce como tofu.
Because tofu is made of... Porque primero hay que ver.
Sí, por eso lo...
What?
No veo.
Ah.
Esto no corta. Ah, ya está, ya está. Ole. Ay, 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 ay. Naru. Naru. No, the same. Oh.
I said it like too much. Muy bonito.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Take my walks with you to take me home. With you, I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3.
All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. I roll the possibilities and everything I used to be out of reach. I'm back where I started, empty-handed and heavy-hearted, hanging on to memories. It feels like I'm stuck in the deep end,